Well, it's another balmy day in the desert here. Got my telescopes all covered up, keep them protected from the blazing sun. But what I want to, let me show you something real quick. This is, as you probably have seen before, a Jackery 300 watt power bank, and I bought this 3 years ago. It worked fine up until just recently. It's showing about 46%, but that's misleading because that only represents the functioning batteries that are still viable. There's a bunch of dead batteries in there. You could put that on or plug that in, and that 46% will die within an hour. So I got tired of dealing with that, and I decided to build my own, and I came up with this. Basically, I went on Amazon and bought a pair of lithium iron or lithium ferrous iron batteries. They're 12.8 volts, 15 amp each. I wired them in parallel. So basically this is a 384 watt 30 amp power bank, and I've got a lithium compatible solar charger in it. I also put a battery monitor on the outside, but I seldom use it. And then what I did, I put solar panels on the roof, and right now, I don't know if it's showing up on the monitor, but that is currently putting out 51 watts to the battery at 25, almost 26 volts at 1.96 amps. And if we come out here, you can see that I've got the 3 panels up there. 2 of them are running to that battery bank, and the 3rd one is going to another smaller, much smaller battery bank that I built. Same principle, 2 smaller lithium batteries wired in parallel, and that is to provide power for that little panel up there. It looks pretty diminutive, but that little thing puts out 70,000 lumen, and it'll pull 2 amps, so it's no slouch. I also did the same up here, or that one for the beer bar. Anyway, this 300 watt power bank by Jackery runs a little over $300, which seems to be the norm retail price on power banks is about $1 per watt. So rather than spend another 300 and plus, shipping and taxes, I decided to go my route and do this. And like I said, it's 384 watts. The case is just a Plano, I think Plano, she's for fishing tackle and stuff like that. I think it was $18. The battery or solar chargers, another 18. The batteries, the two of them ran me $120 for the both of them, so about 60 something a piece. And so if you want to look at the sum total of this, I probably have at the most, with bits and bobs and wires and this and that, at the most maybe $140, $150 tied up in this. And for that wonderful price, I've got almost a 400 watt 384 watt power bank. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of a Jackery, but it does what it's supposed to do. And I use off-the-shelf connectors and standard 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter sockets, whereas Jackery has their proprietary connections. In fact, I assembled, I shouldn't say built, I cannibalized the cord off of this Jackery and soldered on a connector that will accept a 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter plug, so I can charge this with that system over there. Anyway, I just wanted to show you there are options rather than having to spend exorbitant amounts of money for a battery pack that's going to die on you anyway. As we all know, lithium batteries have a maximum amount of times they can be recharged, and once that happens, battery starts dying, and that's why this is stuck at 45% right now. Anyway, hope this didn't bore anybody. Have fun, be safe.